Hey, it's Sean the Agent here, where I am a realtor, investor, and pastor committed to giving you value. And today we are talking about how to create a wow factor when it comes to your home. Before you forget, make sure you subscribe and push that notification so that you don't miss any awesome information like this today. Homes that have wow factors sell for more and typically always have a higher probability of selling in any market you're in because you're always going to stand out. So, what makes your home stand out? Do you have an answer to that? What makes your rentals stand out? What makes your short-term Airbnbs stand out? Well, I want to show you a small sampling of some wow factors to get your creative juices flowing in today's episode. So let's start off by defining what a wow factor is. A wow factor is when creativity and positivity collide. Meaning you have creativity that creates positive emotions. When that collides, that gives a wow factor. Now, things like new paint, carpeting, HVAC, new roof, guys, these are necessities, right? They're not wow factors. So even like updated kitchens may be a necessity depending upon the home and your competition, right? So I want you to think about wow factors. It's what stands out, what is creative that also gives a positive emotion. Now, if your home is in a higher price point, meaning it's a bit more in the luxury market, that means you probably already have unique character and charm. It already has, maybe the size is unique or the acreage is unique, the location, the amenities, but you still have to have something that makes that house say wow amongst the other luxury market. So what is that? Well, guys, it's often not granite countertops, updated kitchens and baths. Those are the norm in the luxury market. So how do you stand out? Well, here's my answer. Write this down. For luxury homes, what makes it stand out is woodworking and wallpaper. I know, you heard me right. Woodworking and wallpaper. Take a look at this. Dining room coupled with wainscoting and very specific wallpaper. Wow factor. Y'all, when I said wallpaper, I'm not talking about wallpaper in an entire house. I'm talking about wallpaper in an accent wall, just like this dining room. And then you also noticed that they actually utilized the woodworking on the second wall in the dining room that made it jump out and have a little bit of creativity that gave a positive emotion. Office space. Think about how you can utilize office space. Here's an office that has built-ins, but then you can also notice the wallpaper within the built-ins, which helps bring out wow factor. How awesome is that? Right? Your built-ins have wallpaper in them, which helps it just stand out, right? It gives creativity, which gives a positive emotion, wow factor, and not to mention the cool fireplace in there too, right? You're in the owner's suite. Well, look at the headboard and the wall. Simple picture frame molding around the headboard brings an elegance. Wow factor. Did you know that picture frame molding is actually very inexpensive, but it goes a long way in creating wow factors on basic walls. So be thinking about where you can add this to your home. Now, if your home is in the median price point, think about what some features are that you could add to the home that you might find in a luxury home. So you're not gonna upgrade your entire house. Don't do that. You probably won't get your money out of it if you do everything, right? Though you wanna think about, is there one or two things that you could consider that kind of gives a luxury feel in your current house? Here's the keys to the median price points: entertainment space and accent walls. Think about your exterior entertainment space. Are there things that you can do to add wow factors like an outdoor kitchen. It doesn't have to be extremely grand, but can you do something that gives an emotional experience to the outdoors when they're thinking entertainment? Wow factor. A lot of people love hot tubs, but how can you create a hot tub to be a wow factor? Consider the surrounding it is put in. Potentially a covered deck, porch, where the deck itself is built up so that they can step down into it. Small features like that stand out often among the rest. Wow factor. Outdoor entertainment space can really enhance a wow factor on these medium price point homes. So consider your outdoors, right? Consider your outdoor kitchen or fireplace or secondary deck or patio, something that kind of stands out often amongst the rest. Check out the family room. You have unique built-ins with some shiplap in the back and a TV that can also look like artwork. Wow factor. You know, this owner made the entertaining area in their family room be an accent wall in of itself with the built-ins and the shiplap that's actually in the built-ins. Small touches to kitchens can create wow factors. Take a look at the gorgeous cabinets, but then bringing in some open shelving brings a wow factor. You know, the creativity of the wood shelves in the kitchen is often great, but did you notice that the full wall was backsplash? That's bringing creativity in. Creativity that gives positive motion is going to be wow factor. Now, if your home is below medium price point, you don't want to go crazy with renovations, though you can still be very intentional with creating some wow factors. Lower price point homes are typically a little bit smaller homes often. And there's two things that I would really recommend you to consider. One, create the feel of an open floor plan, and two, create a statement wall with a TV or fireplace. Now, look at this 900 square foot home. There's an opening with a load-bearing wall that has been removed that just simply creates an open feel that often you'll find in higher price point homes. Now look at this kitchen. They did not want to remove the post that's holding the header, as you can see, so they created a pass-through which gives an open feel. Super smart. Now let's talk about this family room in a smaller home. Make one really well done accent wall. Instead of simply hanging a TV on a wall, make a shiplap center with the molding at the top for the TV. Or if you have a home that does not have, let's say, a fireplace and you really like fireplaces, put a small fireplace in the very center. This does not take much space, and especially the two-dimensional aspect of that one wall creates a wow factor with that shiplap, which is really beautiful. So friends, this is just a start of helping you create the creative juices, right, that I'd love for you to be able to start thinking through. If you would like our free preferred vendor list, please sign up on the list. Now this is for Northern Virginia, okay? Love to be able to send you who we use to do these. We have an interior and an exterior designer that you could call and talk to if maybe you kind of want a little bit of help with these ideas. I hope you found value in this. Please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss anything on a weekly basis. God bless.